Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is motor vessel Bella. Bella, Bella. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel Bravo 1234. Our position is 14 degree 35 minutes north, 120 degree 58 minutes east. We have an uncontrollable fire in the engine room, unable to contain it. We are abandoning ship and require immediate assistance. There are 18 crew members on board. Over.
Mayday, motor vessel Bella, motor vessel Bella, motor vessel Bella. This is motor vessel Cora, Cora, Cora. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel Charlie 5678. Receive Mayday, over.
Go.
Mayday relay, mayday relay, mayday relay. This is MB Dula Dula Dula, call sign Delta Uniform Hotel Delta 9012. Received distress message from MB Bella, call sign Delta Uniform Hotel Bravo 1234. Vessel is on fire in the engine room and abandoning ship at position 14 degrees 35 minutes north, 120 degrees 58 minutes east. There are 18 crew members on board requiring immediate assistance. Over.